want to learn?
Yes, I want to learn.
Do you want to travel?
Yes, I want to travel.
Do you want to cook?
Yes, I want to cook.
Do you want to paint?
Yes, I want to paint.
Do you want to play guitar?
Yes, I want to play guitar.
Do you want to ride a bike?
Yes, I want to ride a bike.
Do you want to go shopping?
Yes, I want to go shopping.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes, I want to watch a movie.
Do you want to play soccer?
Yes, I want to play soccer.
Do you want to go hiking?
Yes, I want to go hiking.
Do you want to read a book?
Yes, I want to read a book.
Do you want to write a letter?
Yes, I want to write a letter.
Do you want to make a phone call?
Yes, I want to make a phone call.
Do you want to send an email?
Yes, I want to send an email.
Do you want to take a photo?
Yes, I want to take a photo.
Do you want to listen to music?
Yes, I want to listen to music.
Do you want to go swimming?
Yes, I want to go swimming.
Do you want to play tennis?
Yes, I want to play tennis.
Do you want to go skiing?
Yes, I want to go skiing.
Do you want to play basketball?
Yes, I want to play basketball.
Do you want to go fishing?
Yes, I want to go fishing.
Do you want to play video games?
Yes, I want to play video games.
Do you want to go camping?
Yes, I want to go camping.
Do you want to play chess?
Yes, I want to play chess.
Do you want to go dancing?
Yes, I want to go dancing.
Do you want to play the piano?
Yes, I want to play the piano.
Do you want to go kayaking?
Yes, I want to go kayaking.
Do you want to play volleyball?
Yes, I want to play volleyball.
Do you want to go surfing?
Yes, I want to go surfing.
Do you want to play the drums?
Yes, I want to play the drums.
Do you want to go skating?
Yes, I want to go skating.
Do you want to go hiking?
Yes, I want to go hiking.
Do you want to play the violin?
Yes, I want to play the violin.
Do you want to go biking?
Yes, I want to go biking.
Do you want to play the flute?
Yes, I want to play the flute.
Do you want to play the trumpet?
Yes, I want to play the trumpet.
Do you want to play the harmonica?
Yes, I want to play the harmonica.